Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be doing the question offbeat dances. This is question 6 from the 2016 math paper. Question 6. 4 people A, B, C, D are performing a dance holding hands in the arrangement shown above. Each dancer is assigned a 1 or a 0 to determine their steps, and there must always be at least a 1 and a 0 in the group of dancers. In other words, dancers cannot all dance the same kind of steps. A dancer is offbeat if their assigned number plus the numbers assigned to the people holding hands with them is odd. The entire dance is an offbeat dance if every dancer is offbeat. Part 1. In how many ways can the 4 dancers perform an offbeat dance? Explain your answer. A new dance starts and 2 more people, E and F, join the dance such that each dancer holds hands with their neighbours to form a ring. Part 2. In how many ways can the ring of 6 dancers perform an offbeat dance? Explain your answer. Part 3. In a ring of n dancers, explain why an offbeat dance can only occur if n is a multiple of 3. Part 4. For a new dance, a ring of n greater than 4 dancers is formed. Each dancer holds hands with dancers one person away from them around the ring, so A holds hands with C, who holds hands with E, and so on. For which values of n can the dance be offbeat? On another planet, the alien inhabitants have 3 extendable arms and still like to dance according to the rules above. Part 5. If 4 aliens dance, each holding hands with each other, how many ways can they perform an offbeat dance? Part 6. 6 aliens standing in a ring perform a new dance where each alien holds hands with their direct neighbours and the alien opposite them in the ring. In how many ways can they perform an offbeat dance? Pause the video to have a think, and once you're ready, restart to see if you're right. Let's get started. If dancer A dances sequence 1, then dancer B and C must dance the same sequence for A to be offbeat. Therefore, for B to be offbeat, D must dance the same sequence as A, which is 1. This means that B and C must also dance 1 if B and C are to be offbeat. However, this arrangement is made of all 1s, which is not allowed. Similarly, when A dances 0, we can also show that there cannot be an offbeat dance. Therefore, the number of different offbeat dances in this arrangement is 0. Now let's move on to part 2. If A dances sequence 1, then B and F must dance the same sequence for A to be offbeat. If B and F both dance sequence 1, then C and E must dance sequence 1, and so D has to dance sequence 1. This means that all dancers are dancing sequence 1, which is not allowed. If B and F are both dancing sequence 0, then C and E must dance sequence 0 as well, so D has to dance sequence 1. There are 3 different arrangements of this form, where one dancer and the dancer opposite are both dancing sequence 1, and all other dancers are dancing sequence 0. Now let's move on to part 3. In a group of 3 dancers, either one of them must be a 1, or all 3 of them must be 1s. If all 3 are 1s, then the 1-1-1 pattern spreads, as in the example above, and the dance is forbidden. If only one of the dancers is 1, then the 1-0-0 pattern must repeat to ensure that all dancers are offbeat. Therefore, an offbeat dance can only occur if the number of dancers is a multiple of 3. Part 4. If n is even, then 2 separate rings are formed. Each of these rings must still be a multiple of 3 in size, so n is a multiple of 6 if it is even. If n is odd, then only 1 ring is formed, meaning that n must still be a multiple of 3. And therefore our condition does not change. N must still be a multiple of 3. Part 5. In a group of 4 such aliens, 1 or 3 of the aliens must be 1 for the whole dance to be offbeat. There are 8 such possibilities. Part 6. If alien A dances sequence 1, then 0 or 2 out of aliens B, F and D must also dance sequence 1. If 2 of them dance sequence 1, then all dancers must be dancing sequence 1, which is forbidden. If none of them are dancing sequence 1, then we have an alternating 1-0-1-0 pattern. Therefore, there are 2 possible offbeat dances for 6 aliens arranged in a circle. And that's our answer. If you liked our video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time for more fun videos. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.